welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewer, in this video I am giving you complete information about Tokenpocket Wallet. Today we are going to discuss about how we can enable auto dissection token. Yes, if you need to add multiple token in your wallet, so you must watch this video till end. In this video I am giving you information how to add or how to active token detection option. This is so simple and easy. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So now I'm going to open or log in my Tokenpocket Wallet. And please don't stop this video or skip this video because this video is very informative for you if you need to add multiple tokens in your wallet. So now you can see here the Tokenpocket Wallet is open in front of me, and I am going to expand this Tokenpocket main interface. Now you can see here I have only one token BTT, token wallet BTT, and if you need to add multiple tokens and you need to active token detection option, so how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Just simple click on plus button, and then you can see here there is shown token detection, and if I click on it, then the option will be shown in front of you in setting area or advanced. We use third-party APIs to detect any display new token sent to your wallet. Turn off if you don't want Tokenpocket to pull data from those services. So I need to enable this token detection option, but sometimes I need to search token, so I have enabled this option. Now going to click on back button, and let's suppose I need to search any token. Just simple write here any token name, but keep in your mind when you're going to write here any token names, you must select the proper blockchain. So it's maybe take some time. After that the all data will be shown in front of you in this line, and you can easily add token. And I am going to also select the Ethereum mainnet, and then again use this option. You can see here token detection option is enabled so that there is shown hot token. And let's suppose I need to add DAI on Ethereum base. When I write out DAI, you can see here they related to DAI all token available here, and their second option is original DAI token. I simple click on plus button, go to back, and now you can see here viewers, we have successfully add DAI with token detection option. So this is so simple and easy. If you need to add multiple token, you must enable your token detection option. After that you can easily find any token in your search bar of Tokenpocket Wallet. So I hope properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem, so you can mail to my email address, and you can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.